Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Garcia, and we're going to be reading a short passage today about Mount Rushmore. You might have already watched the YouTube video about Mount Rushmore and you might have some information about it already. But let's take a quick look at the picture on this page. I see 4 faces carved into the mountain. Do you? Yeah, let's take a look and read to learn more about Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore is a landmark located in South Dakota. It is an American symbol and it stands for the first 150 years of our country. The presidents carved into the mountain are George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. Each face is about 60 feet tall. Mount Rushmore took 14 years to build. Millions of people visit Mount Rushmore every year. Now let's take a look at the questions that we're going to be answering. Right at the top of this page, you can put your name and today's date if you've already printed it. If you do not have a printer, boys and girls, then you just go to your notebook on the next clean page or on a separate piece of paper, put your name, today's date, and write Mount Rushmore questions. Okay? Let's read the directions so that we can answer correctly. After reading the text, answer the questions below using a complete sentence. Number 1, where is Mount Rushmore located? So just like Ms. Garcia has showed you before, you can use parts of the question to help you start your sentence. So you can restate the part that says, Mount Rushmore is located, and then you would complete the sentence by using the information from the text. Make sure that your sentence begins with a capital letter, boys and girls, and has a period at the end. Number 2, how many years did it take to build Mount Rushmore? We can say, it took blank years to build Mount Rushmore. And then you just kind of have to go back and find how many years it took and put it in the blank space there. Remember to begin with a capital letter again and end with a period, right? We want to make sure we have our 5-star writing all the time. Number 3, who are the 4 presidents on Mount Rushmore? So you can use the words from the question by saying, the 4 presidents on Mount Rushmore are, and then you can look and see which ones there are in the text. Make sure that you go back and you can use the story to help you spell each name of the president correctly. All right, and make sure that when you finish that sentence that you use a period at the end, right? Good job. And make sure, boys and girls, you go back and reread every sentence to make sure that you are happy with your work before you snap a picture and send it to your teacher.